Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado. Chevrolet has unveiled the 2025 Silverado, a full-size truck that blends rugged capability, innovative technology, and refined comfort. As one of the most trusted names in pickups, the Silverado continues to set the standard for durability and versatility, now with updates that cater to modern drivers' evolving needs. Bold and refined design. The 2025 Silverado features a refreshed design with a bolder front grille, sharper LED headlamps, and a sleeker body profile. Available in a variety of trims, from the dependable work truck, WT, to the luxurious high country, Chevrolet ensures there's a Silverado for every lifestyle. Performance built for every task. Chevrolet has expanded the Silverado's powertrain lineup for 2025, offering choices to suit different needs. Standard engine. A 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, delivering excellent balance for daily use and light-duty tasks. Duramax diesel. A 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel offering 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque, ideal for towing and fuel efficiency. V8 power. A 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque for those who demand top-tier performance. With towing capabilities of up to 13,300 pounds and advanced trailering technologies, the Silverado remains a top choice for heavy-duty work. Off-road dominance. The 2025 Silverado ZR2 trim is tailored for off-road enthusiasts, boasting features like Multimatic DSSV dampers, a lifted suspension, and 33-inch all-terrain tires. Paired with selectable drive modes, including off-road and terrain, the ZR2 is ready to tackle extreme adventures. Modernized interior. Inside, the 2025 Silverado offers a tech-forward and luxurious cabin. Higher trims feature premium materials, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. A massive 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google integration, alongside a 12.3-inch digital driver display, ensures seamless connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available Bose sound system add to the driving experience. Advanced safety and connectivity. Equipped with Chevrolet Safety Assist as standard, the Silverado offers forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. Optional enhancements include a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, and a hands-free Super Cruise system for highway driving. A truck for every purpose. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, exploring rugged terrain, or cruising in comfort, the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado is built to excel. Its blend of power, technology, and versatility cements its reputation as a leader in the full-size truck segment. Set to hit dealerships in early 2025, the Silverado offers a wide range of configurations and options to meet diverse needs. With competitive pricing and exceptional performance, it's ready to carry the Silverado legacy into a new era. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.